Imagine making $200 in just 5 minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, while it's not easy or guaranteed, there are some scenarios where the right moves, skills, or resources could make this happen. Let's dive into a few real ways you could potentially pull it off. High-speed day trading. Experienced traders can make quick profits through day trading in stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies, but this is risky and requires expertise. Flipping valuable items. If you own high-value items, electronics, collectibles, etc., and can quickly sell them online or in person, you might make $200 fast. Freelancing for urgent gigs. If you're a skilled freelancer, e.g. programming, graphic design, copywriting, you could land a high-paying, urgent job on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or through personal connections. Selling tickets. If you have concert or event tickets in high demand, reselling them for a quick profit could potentially earn you that amount. Gambling or betting. This is not recommended, but some people might take the risk with casino games, sports betting, or poker. However, the chances of winning are uncertain. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas on how to make quick cash or level up your financial game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.